Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're going to show you an incredibly easy way to generate subtitles for your YouTube and social media videos automatically using FlexClip. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just starting out, subtitles can make your videos more accessible and engaging. So, let's dive in. First, let's head over to FlexClip's website. Open your web browser and type in FlexClip's website. Once the site loads, you'll see a clean, intuitive homepage inviting you to create stunning videos. If you don't already have an account, don't fret. Signing up is a breeze. You can register using your email address or, if you prefer, connect through social media accounts like Google or Facebook. This integration makes it quick and easy to get started. Once you've signed up, log in with your new credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. FlexClip's interface is designed to be straightforward, with all the tools you need easily accessible from the main screen. Start a new project, click on the Create a Video button prominently displayed on the dashboard. This will open up a new project space where you can start working on your video. Upload your video. You'll see an Upload button. Click on it. A file dialog will open, allowing you to select the video file from your computer. If your video is stored online, FlexClip has you covered. You can also import videos directly from cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. This flexibility ensures you can access your video from various storage options. Depending on your video size and your internet speed, the upload might take a few moments. Use this time to grab a coffee or think about how you want your subtitles to look. Once your video is uploaded and ready to go, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several tabs. Click on the Text tab. This is where all text-related tools, including subtitle options, are located. Select Auto Subtitle. Under the text options, find and select Auto Subtitle. This powerful feature leverages AI to transcribe your video's audio into text, saving you the hassle of doing it manually. Select Language. Before generating subtitles, you need to select the language spoken in your video. FlexClip supports multiple languages, so find and select the appropriate one from the drop-down list. Generate subtitles. Now, click the Start button. FlexClip will start processing your video. The AI listens to the audio, understands the spoken words, and generates subtitles accordingly. This process might take a few minutes, depending on your video's length. Once the AI has done its job, it's time to review and fine-tune the subtitles. FlexClip provides easy-to-use tools for this. Review subtitles. Play your video and watch the subtitles as they appear. This step is crucial to ensure the subtitles accurately reflect the spoken content. Edit if necessary. If you spot any errors or want to tweak the text, simply click on the subtitle text. FlexClip allows you to edit the text directly. You can also adjust the timing if the subtitles don't sync perfectly with the audio. This editing process is very intuitive, so you'll get the hang of it quickly. Style your subtitles. Click on the subtitle text to access styling options. You can change the font type, size, color, and even the position of the subtitles on the screen. FlexClip provides plenty of customization tools, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect look. Once you're happy with the styling, make sure to save your changes. This ensures your subtitles not only convey the right message, but also fit seamlessly with your video's aesthetic. Preview your video. Before exporting, it's a good idea to preview your entire video. Play it from start to finish to ensure everything looks perfect, from the video content to the styled subtitles. Click on the Export button. You'll be presented with several options regarding the resolution and format of your exported video. Choose the settings that best suit your needs. Higher resolutions are great for platforms like YouTube, while smaller resolutions might be better for quick social media posts. Download your video. Once you've selected your export settings, click Export. FlexClip will process the video and prepare it for download. Once ready, download the video to your computer. Now you have a fully subtitled video, ready to share with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you create amazing video content. See you in the next video.